I'm going to create a new one for today's training. And we're just going to call it when it opens, you know, testimonials, surveys, and referrals. That's what we're going to talk about today. So we're just going to kind of put them all in here so we can see them all at once, right? So one of the first things we wanted to talk about is kind of tying up the loose end from last week, right? When they finish onboarding, what do we do with them, right? There's a number of different things that we could do. If you had a pipeline, right, you could use our pipeline stage moved and tell it, you know, when they moved into, you know, maybe something, forget which one we had here. We had it in here, didn't we? Project complete. Could say something like when we move into the pipeline stage project complete, we're doing that. Now, if we wanted to use our hiring, one that we were using last time, we could say when they move out of onboarding, right? We could start the review request. So you can really use that goal either way, when they move into it, when they move out of it, into a stage or out of a stage. But what if you weren't using a pipeline for that and you just wanted to be able to tag them? Well, that's pretty simple, right? Again, we can use any of our goals to start them to where we're sending them the review request. Right? Maybe that was an internal form that you filled out because you talked with them on a phone conversation or something, right? Mm-hmm. Most people, it starts with the tag or a pipeline stage move, right? They get a tag, we send them an email with our Google review link.